All right, I think we got all the fossils out of this Eagle Ford formation. It feels like we're forgetting something. Oh my God, the plants!
They're pouring concrete tomorrow, so we must save the plants today. I hadn't planned on adopting. I just always bring a shovel. This was farmland a decade ago, so our selection is limited to Roundup-resistant cultivars staking a claim in Calcrete. What's a pretty flower like you doing around here? Ratibita columnifera, a bright coneflower or Mexican hat coneflower. It contains topical opioid analgesic phytochemistry. This plant can spread from running roots or seed. Less bushy plants will be younger, yet any age makes for an easy transplant. Dig to reveal the side-running taproot and snap off after an inch. Longer for larger plants whose foliage you want to keep. Mexican hats have interesting, varying color expression. You can usually choose between red or yellow dominant, bicolor, and marble pigment. We have to save a Susan next. Rudbeckia hirta, another Roundup survivor. It has antibiotic and antifungal roots. All are in flower, so this will be challenging. For this, we need to get enough of the taproot, as well as a good proportion of shallow spider roots to minimize flower damage and delay rushing to seed. Baby basket flowers! Plectocephalus americanus. I can ID this one by its leaves and leaf placement on stem. It looks identical in structure to Spanish gold, Grindelia ciliata, though lacking leaf serrations. Flowers are very showy and tall, almost thistle-esque. These are so tiny you can spade scoop up a few plants at once and separate them with running water at home. Oh my God, a cutleaf ground cherry. The Physalis angulata. A wild edible similar to mini tomatillos in fruit balloons. Luckily, this plant has one main taproot, like a carrot, and if we get it whole and unstripped, nothing else matters. Back home, the ground cherry is most delicate and goes first into a sandy substrate like so. Most of the foliage will die back and new leaves will emerge from one of the stem crotches. The Susan will now live with the oxeye daisies for a beautiful color balance. Perfect. And the basket flower gets its own spot after loosening the clump to separate plant. The Mexican hat coneflower can be transplanted literally anywhere, even immediately in direct sun. It's just that hardy. Everyone gets a water, and that's 4 rescues complete. Whew, it's hot. Did that property manager ever call back?